How to use Find and Replace in Microsoft Word. This tutorial shows you how to locate a word and swap it out across your entire document. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. From there, click the Home tab in the ribbon. After that, click Replace in the Editing group, or press Ctrl and H at the same time. At this point, this opens the Find and Replace box. Following this, click into the Find What field. From here, type the word or phrase you're looking for. At this stage, click into the Replace With field. Following this, type whatever you want it swapped with. Once both fields are filled in, click Find Next to jump to the first match in your document. At this stage, click Replace to swap just that one instance. Then click Find Next again to move to the following match. Following this, if you'd rather replace every occurrence at once instead of going one by one, click Replace All. Once clicked, Word replaces every matching instance throughout the document in one go and shows you a count of how many replacements were made. That's how you use Find and Replace in Microsoft Word. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!